Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood Garage. Are you running low on MIG wire on your spool or TIG wire in the tubes at home? If so, I want to take today to let you know we have you covered. When you buy your Eastwood brand MIG wire and TIG filler rods, you're ensuring that you get the same high quality wire that came with your machine. We offer our MIG wire in all the commonly used sizes, ranging from 023 all the way up to 035 wire in both 2-pound and 8-pound sizes. TIG welding is no different with all the popular filler rod options in multiple sizes. We carry silicon bronze, aluminum, steel, and even stainless steel filler rod in both 1-pound tubes and 10-pound packs. From here, you can choose 1/16, 3/32, and even 045 sizes to match perfectly to the metal you'll be welding. Don't think we'd leave you hanging without being able to get tungsten for your TIG welder too. We offer 10 packs of our multi-mix pink tungsten in both 1/16 and 3/32 sizes. This takes the guesswork out of which tungsten to grab for which project, as these will weld both AC and DC on steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and more. Best part about any of these consumables is that you save a large amount of money over name brand comparable products. This means more money you can sink into your project. For more information, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.